Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to do auto speech to text on Google Docs mobile. So here in this video, I'm going to show you how to do voice typing on Google Docs. First, you just need to open the file. You can create a new file here by clicking on the plus icon, then click on new docs file. Okay, so to do the voice typing, you need to make sure that the keyboard on your phone support the voice typing, like the one I did. I use the Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard in here, and if you see at the bottom there is a little microphone icon that can be used as a voice typing feature. So I'm going to just click on the mic icon, and this is how you can do the voice typing. So the device will automatically record your voice and turn it into text like this. Okay, so it might be some of the word might be incorrect, so you just need to edit it after you finish the voice typing. Okay, to stop it, just click on the microphone icon again, and if you want to speak again, click on the microphone again. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.